you're watching Stock Market Review from ИнстаФорекс TV with me, Marina Generalova. US equities closed in negative territory, thus marking the third weekly fall. Consolidation of the greenback triggered concerns among investors about US companies' earnings. Nasdaq tumbled by 21.53 to 4,871.76, ending the week down 1.1%. The Dow Jones ended the week with a 0.6% loss, closing at 17,749.31, down 145.91 points. The S&P drifted down by 12.55 points to close the session at 2,053.40, falling 0.9% over the course of the week. Shares of energy companies were among the worst performance in the benchmark Standard & Poor's 500 index. Market participants say that the strengthening of the dollar was one of the major reasons for active trading and increased investor concerns about the competitiveness of US firms. The strong dollar has a negative impact on American businesses as it leads to a decline in exports. It is noteworthy that gains of small company stocks are higher on the back of the surging dollar. Experts say that the stock market volatility will take place until there is a clear answer to the question when and in what volume the Fed will start raising interest rates. Perhaps the central bank will shed some light to its plans later this week. Thus, the small-cap Russell 2000 was up 1.2% last week. Also, FXCM is one of the biggest gainers that saw its shares skyrocketing last week. Its stock jumped by 20% to $2.58 a share right after the foreign exchange broker's fourth quarter earnings topped consensus estimates. FXCM posted $15.8 million net profit and 35 cents earnings per share in the quarter ended December 31st. Greatly up from $3 million or 8 cents a share for the same period from a year ago. Its total revenue surged to $134.7 million from $113.3 million earlier, and against forecast of $129.3 million. The company also announced it paid back $12 million out of a $300 million loan it received from Leucadia National Corp on January 16 to cover the negative balances figure of $276 million. Which was the result of FXCM clients' activity caused by extraordinary volatility of the Swiss franc. Meanwhile, Apple shares sloped by 0.7% lower, closing at $123.54, with a weekly loss of 2.4%. Apple Watch presentation on Monday made Apple shares fluctuating for the whole last week. From the beginning of the year, the tech giant stocks advanced by 12%, though it closed in negative territory for 3 last weeks. First time since October 2014. It was weekly stock market review from InstаForexs TV. Bye. Have a great week.